one of my aviaries, 3 metre by 1.5 metre, with cockatiels and quail on the bottom. These are my breeding pairs from last year. Just having a rest now, recuperating for next spring. They love their corn, apple, feed them multigrain bread and seed, but predominantly multigrain bread and fruits. The white face at the back there is trying to pair off with the Latino who lost her mate last year, an aviary escapee, so they seem to be bonding, but hopefully they'll breed next year. Gives them plenty of room. 3 metre by 1.5 metre aviary. On the bottom, it's hard to see, but a female quail sitting on eggs in the corner there. I don't know if the eggs will hatch though, because she's had a few nests and none of the eggs are hatched. So I think they need more dirt in the aviary, an earthen floor, which I'm going to build this year. There's semi-tame, she doesn't breed, but she's bonded with this male over here. They love their corn and their apple. There's a pastel face at the back there, and a white face pied. Yeah, he's a pretty boy. White face there. Partner is a pearl next to it, and then that pearl there is the pastel faces. I don't know.